Hey there, everyone. This is Jim Hiles. It's Terrible Tax Tuesday, taxes on Tuesday. I get this question a lot about rental property, and just to remind everyone that yes, there are tax deductions available with rental property. And for those of you who have it, you probably already know the game, but I've talked to a lot of people trying to get in it. And even on whether it's a direct, meaning you own the property itself, or through some form of limited partnership, I think we're going to start to see more rental property type of limited partnerships being used as fixed income or dip or bond type of investments going forward, as rates, generally aren't so great for bonds right now. And if they're going up, you probably would want to be something that is more inflation sensitive. That would be rental property. It's usually one of those items that does better in a inflationary environment. It's also a hard asset, but on the deduction side for tax purposes, you certainly, if you have a mortgage against it, can create a nice tax deductible mortgage payment for that. It's a business expense. Depreciation is another interesting one. For most rental real estate property, it's 27 and a half year depreciation. So it's a little over 3% a year. So it's not as if you're getting a huge tax, deduction for depreciation on rental property, but it's worth something. And you do want to track your basis over time. So that's one thing to look at, is a little bit of a tax advantage. Property taxes, certainly can deduct those. Repairs, it just depends what it is. It's either a quick fix thing, swapping out light bulbs, those are generally expenses. But if you do something that's a significant cost, then it gets capitalized and just adds to your basis. So when you sell it in the future, that goes to a capital side and there's less capital gain due on it. So just keep that in mind. That's the same with your house today, for example, with the exception you can't deduct anything that has to do like swapping out light bulbs. So that's a little bit about what's going on there. Again, I think they're going to see a little more in terms of investment opportunities coming forward with this. And if you have any questions on it, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks.